Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Thank you. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick shout out video to this freaking air pump and battery charging system from Jfegwo. I did a video on this about approximately maybe 2 years ago, and I've done many chargers and air pumps before. And obviously, guys, you know, these are lithium batteries in the end. You know, once in a while you could, you know, check it to make sure it's charged. Now, I haven't checked this in a long time. And what ended up happening yesterday, we had a blizzard just like, let's see, today is Tuesday. We had one Sunday into Monday. And I'm talking, we got about 30 inches of snow. And we haven't gotten 30 inches of snow in New York, you know, like Long Island, for a long time. And what ended up happening was my wife, she had to go to work yesterday. And the roads, you know, I mean, like, especially like all the back streets and stuff like that around here, they weren't that great. But this car, she has an electric car. It's a Vinfast Vf8 Plus, and it does really well in the snow. And what ended up happening was the plows, they didn't do such a good job on the expressway. And I don't know if one of the plows hit like the road and created like a hole. But I was speaking to her yesterday, and while talking to her, all I heard was, like, you know, she hit something, because I heard it on the phone. And I'm like, what's wrong? I thought somebody hit her. She was like, Luke, it's saying tire pressure low, check rear left tire. And guess what? I said, okay, how much is the percentage? And she was like, you know, it kept on dropping by huge increments. Good thing she was close to the yard where she had to report for work. And she just made it there with like maybe 10 PSI. And then once she stopped, it just went down. I'll show you real quick. Right here. Whatever she hit, the tire made a dent in it pretty much dented the rim. Okay? So that's how, you know, big the impact was. And the real part of the story was when we called roadside assistance, they're like, oh, somebody's going to get back to you in, you know, 10 minutes. By the time they got back to us, it was like 30 minutes later. And at that same point, right before they called us, I said, let me see if this tire could take some air. And what I noticed was, if this portion where the valve stem was, if that was on the bottom, the air would start deflating. Once I rolled the car and it would move to like either the sides or the top, the air was holding. I'm like, well, this is freaking perfect. This is freaking perfect, because now I know that we could possibly fill this up and keep filling it up and try to get home. And guess what? Roadside assistant calls me. She's like, oh, there's nobody, you know, available. I'm like, so when would it be available? She was like, oh, Thursday. I'm like, ma'am, it's Monday. So it's a good thing I said to myself, you know, let me see if this tire can hold some air. And guess what? We had to stop at least 4 times on the highway. Stop, fill up I would fill it up to like 36 pounds. And I told her, you drive my truck, I'll take the car, because I'm more experienced doing this type of stuff. And I was like just gunning it, trying to just go as fast as possible to get home, because she was losing chunks of air depending on the rotation of the tire. So I would get like, say, a couple miles, but we had to fill up like about 4 times. We made it home. The tire's not damaged or anything like that. Matter of fact, I put about 35 pounds of air in the tire last night, and it only dropped, like, I would say about maybe 3 pounds till the morning. So it was still in the 30s. Once I put the jack on it and raised the tire a bit, I heard air starting to let out. So I'm about to go get the rim repaired real quick. But I wanted to give a shout out. When I started this yesterday, it was like 67%. Obviously, I charged it last night, because by the time we got home, it was about 25%. So what I would do, every time we would put air in the tire, I would have it in my truck charging until we stop again. And let me tell you, this thing held out nicely, and it was only at 67% when I started yesterday. So Jfegwo, thanks for making a good product. Guys, I will link it in the description. I'll link the video that I did in the description. But let me tell you, this thing saved my ass yesterday, just as an FYI. All right, so about 40 minutes later, same day, took the truck over to NB Rim and Tire. They're in Bayshore. And the guy told me it took a little less than an hour, but I would say around 40 minutes later, he brought it out, and the rim is like damn near good as new. Rim is literally good as new. Freaking impressive, man. That's dope. And guess what? They freaking rebalanced it and everything like that. It's good to go. And the best part about it is freaking same day freaking service. This is their info right here, in case you guys want to see it again. NB Rim and Tire, that's their phone number, that's the information, and literally same day service. Can't get better than this.